welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to retrieve identity column values. So in the previous video we have seen how to use identity column in a table. Now in this video we will see how to retrieve the identity column values. Let's create a table. So here I am adding the ID column as primary key. Then I am creating another column student ID. I am putting n varchar and name and varchar. So the student ID is a collection of string and character number values. So what we do here, we will get whenever we insert any record into this table, we will get the ID value after the insert statement, and then we will update the ID in the student ID column values, and it will generate a student number like SID 0001. Like this it will generate. So next time, so first it will get the value 1, it will update here as 1. Next it will create another ID SID 002 003. So like that it will create student ID. Okay, so let's create this table table student. Okay, now the table is created. Now what I will do, I will insert one statement, insert into table student values. Okay, so first we will insert ID and name. After that we will update the student ID on that ID column. So what you will insert ID and name. So I will enter, so the ID column is auto generated, right? So no need to again add this column in this table. So we will directly pass the name. Okay, now it will insert the record into this table. After inserting this table column into data into this web table, we will get the ID value. So how to get the ID value? So okay, so what we will do, we will declare one column int, okay, set at the rate id equal to scope identity. So scope identity, what is the use of this function? Actually scope identity used to get the id value after the insert statement. So first we will insert, then it will get the id value, scope identity. Okay, now we got the id value. Okay, now we will create the student id as per our need. Declare at the rate student id, we will make it n varchar 20, set at the rate student id. So how you can create the student id? SID plus, we will take the left function, left we will take 4 characters. Okay, now this id is integer value, right? So we will convert it to n varchar. Now we get the, so for this we can print the value here to check how the value is created, what is the value created. So print id at the rate id, then we can print student id at the rate student id. Now we will update the student value, set student id equal to at the rate student id, where id equal to scope identity. or we can directly create ID. After that we can select the TBL student. Okay, so this is how we can create a student ID from the ID value. So first I will insert it, then it will get the ID value from the scope identity column. Next it will get the student ID, it will print the ID and student ID, then it will update the table student table, and then you can select. Okay, let's execute. So we got one error, conversion failed when converting value ID to data type PNC. This is the integer value, right? So we will convert it to n varchar, and this is string, no problem. Okay, so it is already inserted. We will insert another value. Okay, see here. Okay, here we will use right function, not left function. Okay, see, now we got the ID value here, and we update the SID 0003. So it is taking 4 characters from the right side. From this side it will take 1 2 3 4. Okay, so this is how we can update the value. We'll get the ID value, scope identity column value, and update it into a student ID. Okay, thank you.